Hi, this is McKenna Harris. Today we're sitting down with Emmanuel Gonzalez, the Senior Solutions Director here at Adapt2 Solutions. We'll be doing a deep dive into some of our frequently asked questions about Adapt2 Green. So, without further ado, Emmanuel, as the creator of Adapt2 Green, can you tell us a brief history of how Adapt2 Green came to be?
Yes, a brief history of Adapt2 Green. Adapt2 Green started out as a value proposition of several green components in Adapt2. These components included existing REC and PPA modules and existing settlement functionality. The effort was a collaborative effort with several of our existing clients. From there, the product has grown to a more comprehensive suite of green components, including battery management, PPA and REC settlement, contract management, and eventually giving our clients the tools they need to effectively manage their green portfolio.
I love the vision behind Adapt2 Green. With the push towards a lower carbon footprint, many organizations are very interested in optimizing their green portfolios. Can you further elaborate on why this is so relevant in the energy industry today?
I think relevance is determined by user perception and market presence in an evolving market. Adapt2 Solutions is steadfast in continuing to invest in Adapt2 Green as we continue to develop the product and meet the demand of an evolving market. The renewable space is growing steadily and in many ways surpassing other segments of the market. Adapt2 Green is a product that continues to get market share because Adapt2 really continues to mold the product to the needs of the market, in essence, maintaining product visibility, which translates to relevance in the market, right? And that's really what we're looking for, is just being able to continually enhance the product and continue to be in front of our customers.
Thanks for that elaboration. As many of our viewers know, Adapt2 primarily works with energy market participants. What type of energy market participants would benefit most from Adapt2 Green?
I think clients who are heavily invested in renewables would benefit the most. In Adapt2 Green, these clients would be able to effectively manage their green portfolio with ease and more visibility into their assets, their contracts, and P&L around renewables.
Great. Let's dive into some of the features of Adapt2 Green. What features would you say are most useful?
The features I find most useful all revolve around position management. In Adapt2 Green, users have the ability to look at minted REC data, contract data, and forward-looking valuations of their green portfolio. All of these features are standard for any install. But additionally, having all of your data in a single platform is also an added benefit.
Those are some useful features. Data is extremely powerful for energy market participants. Not everyone may be familiar with Adapt2 Green. Could you share with us 3 benefits that you think are most impactful?
Yeah, I think the 3 benefits I would share would be one, having the ability to manage your green assets in a single product is a huge benefit all in of itself. Additionally, managing PPA, including contract revisions and settlements, is also an added benefit. In Adapt2 Green, we have a versioning process by which users can toggle between the current version of a contract and previous versions or amendments. That's a huge benefit where the users can look at the evolution of a particular contract. Finally, having ownership of your data is key to a competitive advantage in the market. I think all of our clients should have access to their data and take ownership of it. It is theirs after all. I think those are probably the 3 biggest benefits that I would share with someone who is onboarding Adapt2 Green.
User-friendliness, REC, and green management, along with settlements, all in one place, and the ability to integrate multiple interfaces are some very valuable benefits. Last question. Can you share a story about client efficiencies through the use of Adapt2 Green?
Since its release, clients who are currently using Adapt2 Green have seen efficiencies around their contract management and settlement. For example, we have a client who has long-term PPAs spanning decades. And with complexities around settlement rates, time of day factors, settling these PPAs can be fairly laborious, if you can imagine. This client had two analysts working on generating and sending invoices. It used to take them 2 days to get all contracts invoiced and out the door. With Adapt2 Green, this same client can now generate all PPA invoices in less than 30 minutes, and they are down to a single analyst. That's advantage. That is key.
Adapt2 Green absolutely provides efficiency. Thank you for sharing that insight. That is all we have for today. Thank you, Emmanuel, for taking the time to talk to me more about Adapt2 Green. I really enjoyed our conversation.
Absolutely. Thank you, McKenna. I really appreciate the opportunity to speak to you today. I hope that I was able to answer your questions efficiently. You have a wonderful afternoon, and please reach out if you need anything else.